Okay, number 2 video on the hard rock board on the soft start key bias. Yeah, I keep hitting a button on my phone and stopping the video, so here we go again. Anyway, once this board's installed, you can it'll wait about 3 seconds and then this will click. Once it clicks, the tubes will brighten up, the power light will brighten up, and you're all set. So this board will take the strain off the switch, so that's kind of a good thing. I still don't think it takes off that much strain on the switch. I would almost want to do this thing by leaving the switch on and just pulling the plug in and out of the wall socket. Okay, so what else? Yeah, so to test this thing, if this thing will key up, and you need a 12 ohm resistor for 120 volts, you need 24 ohms for 240 volts. Make sure that's all set. Of course, you set your voltage down here on the amp with these pins here. I'm set for 120 volts here. What else? And the key of the amp, to test it, you just have to ground this wire here on the Vox connector. Just ground that wire and it should click the antenna relay just fine. If it doesn't, you got problems, and you want to make sure you're getting rectified voltage here. So the 24 volt wire, I'm getting about 29 volts in that wire, but make sure that's active. And the bias is set by, you can't see it, but you can move this wire to whatever bias you want. I put it on 3.0 down in here, but yeah, you can see the 3.0 kind of down in there. I use 3.0. I haven't tried it yet to see where my bias lies, but that's what I did. So, okay, I hope this helped you. What else can I say here? Yeah, connect the blue wires up, X0 and X1, I think, and one blue wire is very short, goes down into here. Okay, it goes right there. That's where that blue wire goes, X0. The other blue wire goes here on X1. 24 volt wire, there's something soldered in there, I think. Yeah. And what else? A couple wires that were in from the bottom. Anyway, yeah, there's the yellow wire from the transformer. Center tap wire, I think. Yeah, right there. So that's about it. How to put the board in. Again, make sure your R9 there is present. That's a 10K. And that's about it. Little board works great for me now that I've replaced Q1 and Q2 and put in R9. The board is functioning. I've tried it 3 times and it works fine. And the soft key works fine right there on the Vox jack. I'm not sure about the bias yet, but everything else works. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.